In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the Windows 11 Start menu to the left side of your screen. When you first install or start using Windows 11, you'll notice that the Start button and the icons on the taskbar are centered by default. If you're used to older versions of Windows, this can feel a little strange. The good news is that you can easily move the Start menu back to the left side, so it looks and feels more like Windows 10. First, go down to your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Anywhere on an empty space on the taskbar, click with the right mouse button. This will open a small menu. From this menu, select Taskbar Settings. This will open the Settings app directly to the taskbar customization page. Once the Settings window is open, scroll down until you see a section called Taskbar Behaviors. This might be collapsed at first, so if you only see the title, click on it to expand more options underneath. Inside Taskbar Behaviors, look for an option called Taskbar Alignment. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it, which is usually set to center. Click on that drop-down and choose Left from the list. As soon as you select Left, you'll see your Start button and all your pinned taskbar icons immediately slide over to the left side of the screen. There's no need to restart your computer or log out. The change applies right away. Take a moment to move your mouse to the bottom left corner and click the Start button, just to get a feel for the new position. If you've been using previous versions of Windows for years, this layout will probably feel much more familiar and comfortable. If you ever change your mind and want to go back to the centered look, just follow the same steps. Right-click the taskbar, go to Taskbar Settings, open Taskbar Behaviors, and switch taskbar alignment back to center. One quick tip: while you're already in the taskbar settings, you can explore other options like turning certain icons on or off, or choosing which system icons appear. That part is optional, but it can help you customize your desktop so it works better for you. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully moved the Windows 11 Start menu to the left side, restoring that classic Windows layout in just a few clicks.